I must go through here to get to the spring. I'm very close. Alright, there's the barrier. And it looks like the Forest Service. No, there's one barrier. There's the other barrier. So they are still there. Here is the Cottonwood Springs. A nice pool. Pipe with a spigot. You can see the railing up there. Go a little bit farther. We can see the pipeline dripping. And there's a water trough, a new water trough that they constructed. You can see Jeep tracks have still been coming through here. Some nice agave plants. And this is the way up to the horse crossing.